Yeah, it's pretty good job dumping all that dirt in there, dumping all the stuff in the hole. So there's a silo. I think he said he might be able to take that down tomorrow. That was the rest of it. Looks awesome. Looks better already. Scraped off most of the chunks of concrete and burnt stuff. He's got all the cement broken out next to the house. That little building right there in the middle, there, that's gotta go yet. And there's some cement laying behind that where the tall grass is. Otherwise, it looks pretty darn good. Tomorrow will be the final day. Hopefully I can get here and take a video of the silo coming down. We'll see. So as those guys play over there, I'm going to try to paint this roof. I got it all cleaned up with a wire brush and a grinder. You know, I'm going to go up there and paint it. So I'm going to run out of hands pretty quick, so there'll be no video of that. But this is more exciting anyway. Playing in the sandbox. Came out a lot harder than I thought it was going to. I know that small one I thought for sure. It's a big root ball. We got her out though. Level out the hole a little bit, good to go. Yeah, there's no way we'd move that with the tractor. No way. Wow. That is a big, yeah. Hope I get to see when he pulls the ones out all front. Those things are huge out front. That's a big root ball. They were just carried away.
When it gets all done, trying to let a pile of black ground or something. Leave a load of it. Wouldn't that be fun to have that in the sandbox? Boy, huh?
You might need a little bigger sandbox.
Just one scoop of it will be out, right, Dad?
Right. Yeah, that might be nice. What is that round cover from?
Water tank there.
Think so?
Betcha. All walls of the deal. We had the wrong one.
That was where you had that junk pile, though. It might have been just a piece of cement junk pile sitting there.